Now I would like to healthy and junk food. Healthy and junk food. Healthy versus junk food. Come on the stage. Healthy and junk food. Absolutely, junk food is very tasty.
Assalamu alaikum, Alvira.
Walaikum assalam, Nashveen.
What are you eating?
I am eating an apple. Would you like to eat also?
No, I don't like it. See, what do I have? Pizza.
Pizza. Oh, I also like it, but I prefer fruit as my mother says to eat healthy food.
Why so?
Because healthy food makes our teeth and body healthy and strong.
My mother also asked me to eat healthy food, but I don't like them. I love to eat junk food.
Sometimes I also eat, but we should not eat regularly as it can make us ill.
I don't agree with you completely, but junk food is very tasty. Everyone loves to eat junk food and healthy food. Ew.
I know, but healthy food is also tasty and it makes us healthy too. Like fruits, custard, chicken kebab.
But junk food is good appearing and it has so many options like burger, pizza, noodles, pasta, momos.
Yeah, but it can cause health problems and bad for our body.
But I believe that eating junk food time to time makes us happy.
How can you say that junk food is bad? That it leads to obesity and it has high amount of sugar that leads to diabetes.
Okay, why we are going with the judge? Let me call our friend. They will definitely prove who is the best.
Okay.
Pizza.
I am pizza, I am yummy and most popular junk food. People love me. I am crispy and cheesy. Pizza, it's a treat. Pizza, fun to eat. Thank you.
Chicken.
I am chicken. I am very tasty and juicy. I am filled with high quality of protein and do not contain much fat. You can eat me. How are you fries, roasted, etc. Thank you.
Burger.
I am burger. I have a good taste. Everyone find me tasty. People enjoy me. If you eat me regularly, soon you will look like me. Round and round and round. Thank you.
Fish.
I am fish. I live in water. I am packed with protein, vitamin and potassium. I am good for eyes and reduces the heart attack. Thank you.
Soft drink.
I am soft drink. Children drink me especially with ice cube and ultra. Your pasty is incomplete without milk. Thank you.
Milk.
I am milk. I am good for your body. Milk is white. Milk is nice. It fills my tummy day and night. Thank you.
Noodles.
I am noodles. I am curly, spicy and long. I am very easy to cook. You can cook me with different vegetables. Thank you.
Egg.
I am an egg. I am rich in iron, protein, fats and vitamin. It is very easy to cook me. You can fry me or you can boil me. Thank
French fries.
I am French fries. I am fast food. People love me a lot. I am crispy and deep fried. Make up of potato. Do you like French fries? Thank you.
Apple.
I am an apple. I am in sweet taste. I am good source of vitamin, minerals and iron and apple and
group decided the best.
Come on.
Come on. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
So healthy food is winner.